I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. Something that all Mustangs seem to have is a distinct exhaust note. Whether you're rocking a Fox body with old school 2-chamber flows or an S550 with a Corsa Extreme, the sound of a Mustang speaks volumes of its power and its performance.
Volumes. I get it.
Project Quicksilver, my 1999 Mustang GT, already has a 2.5-inch Mac catback with their flow path mufflers, but it also has its OEM Ford catalytic H-pipe with 4 catalytic converters. While the catalytic converters on this car aren't as restrictive as those cats from the 70s and 80s, there definitely is power and sound to be discovered by replacing them. For many people, this means swapping it out for a high-flow X or H-pipe without cats. This will give you the ultimate in loud volume and that throaty roar that will get you noticed. Unfortunately, not having cats makes it, well, technically illegal. And you can get noticed by people that you really don't want to catch the attention of. And that's why they call them off-road pipes. Since I'm in New York and we have emissions requirements, I'm choosing to go with a high-flow cat setup because it's better for our children's world. I'm doing this for you.
Just make it louder.
But it will sound and perform great too. I chose to go with a high-flow X-pipe with cats from Bassani exhaust. Let's bring the box over here and open it up. All right, let's open her up. The Bassani X-pipe is constructed of 2.5-inch stainless steel tubing that is mandrel bent. This means that all of the bends in the pipe are smooth and maintain their diameter without any wrinkles or anything that might impede exhaust flow. It also has provisions welded in for all 4 OEM oxygen sensors. The only thing that you will need is an OEM style gasket for the passenger side, as it uses a gasket versus a ball and flange, which is on the driver's side. The catalytic converters themselves are constructed of high quality metallic substrate. However, Bassani also includes these off-road delete pipes that you can swap the cats out for race use only. Instead of bolting this on here in the garage, which we certainly could do, we're gonna take a ride out to see my buddy Dan over at Real Speed Performance, and I'll check back with you when we're on our way. So we're on the road here now, doing highway speeds, and I'm in overdrive, and it's nice and quiet inside. There's really no drone at all. I'm gonna kick it out of overdrive into drive because this is a 4R70W. Give it a little pedal and see if you can hear it. Still not super loud inside. This is one of my favorite things about the SN95s over the Fox bodies. They are better insulated from noise, vibration, and harshness, but you still want to hear a little bit more of that exhaust. I mean, that's why you bought a Mustang, right? So I'll check back with you when we're at Real Speed. So we're here at Real Speed Automotive, Bohemia, New York. We checked in with the owner, Dan Carlson. Dan actually tuned my Vortec supercharged Fox body back in the day. He is a wealth of knowledge when it comes to Mustangs and just a general, all-around good guy. Dan's history of Mustangs reaches all the way to Stito Autosports, where he worked designing parts before starting Real Speed in 2004. The shop can handle just about anything and even has its own Mustang dyno where you can have Dan tune your car using SCT tuning software. So let's pull the car in and get started on the install.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change,
we're on our way back home, and we're going highway speeds just like we were before. She's in overdrive, super quiet. The tone has changed a little bit. It's a little deeper, but it's still quiet in the cabin. Kick it out of overdrive, and to hear it a little bit more, stomp on the pedal, and it just has a deeper tone. But I'll be honest with you, it's not anywhere too loud for highway driving. So it's the next day. I've been driving around the Mustang with the Bassani X-Pipe, and I have to say I love the sound. It's moderately louder, but it has a significantly deeper tone. The quality of the pipe is amazing, and it even included a reducer on the driver's side to work whether you have stock or aftermarket shorty headers. When we were installing the pipe, we noticed that the band clamps that are included to connect the catalytic converters to the inlet and outlet pipes, they're kind of thin, and they look more like the type of band clamps you'd use on silicone tubing for superchargers or turbochargers. I did reach out to Bassani and voiced my concerns, and they told me that they haven't had any issues with it. But I'll be honest, at a price point of more than $500, I would have liked to have seen more heavy-duty band clamps made for exhaust. But who knows, I might be wrong, and they might be fine. But aside from that, there's nothing negative I can say about this pipe. At the end of this video, I'm going to include sound clips of both the stock H pipe and the Bassani X pipe. You'll hear a cold start, idle, 3,000 RPM rev, and a 5,000 RPM rev. Let me know how you think it sounds in the comments section down below. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, that's about it here, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.